Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Lord Nelson Close, Kingston 19. Here you will find this majestic beauty, which is over 5,000 square feet of house, spread over 3 levels, positioned on 26,752 square feet of land, a total of 6 bedrooms with 6 bathrooms, along with powder room, 2 expansive primary suites, one on the ground floor and the other on the upper floor, both with walkout balconies and is and earth closets and jacuzzis, formal living and dining rooms, TV room, family room, study, eating kitchen with breakfast area, laundry room, helpers area, and 3-car automatic garage, water storage, air-conditioned spaces, 3 balconies, and a fruited backyard with dog kennel. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 120 million or US $779,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.